Hi, my name is Julia and this is Space Daily News channel. China plans to land taikonauts on the moon by 2030 and add a fourth module to its space station. It was announced by representatives of the Chinese Space Agency on Monday, May 29. The country's plans for the moon landing include short stays on the lunar surface and exploration of the lunar surface by humans and robots. Also, like NASA, the Chinese Space Agency is considering potential landing sites near the moon's south pole, where scientists believe water, ice, and other valuable resources can be found. Preparations for the overall crewed lunar landing program are in the final stages. It will be carried out in 3 phases over the next 7 years. The first phase is the implementation of relevant research and construction tasks, including the development of a next-generation launch vehicle, a next-generation manned spacecraft, a lunar landing module, a lunar spacesuit, a manned lunar rover, and other space equipment. The second stage will be a test unmanned flight, and the third stage will be a manned flight and landing on the moon. In 2027, a new rocket, the Long March 10, is to make its first test flight into low Earth orbit. The Long March 10 will be based on the Long March 5 rocket, with a diameter of 5 meters and a height of 90 meters. It's planned that 2 Long March 10 rockets will be used to launch a manned module with a crew and the lunar landing module. Docking of the modules should take place in lunar orbit, from where the taikonauts will go to the lunar surface. China is now actively developing a new generation manned lunar landing module. Earlier this year, mock-ups of the 2 modules were unveiled for the first time. Also, China's Wenchang coastal spaceport is currently being expanded for commercial launches, as well as launches of the Long March 10 rocket and the larger Long March 9 rocket. China is also planning to launch another module for the Tiangong space station, which currently consists of 3 modules. The 4th module of the space station will be launched to increase the number of scientific experiments conducted on the station, as well as to provide the crew with better working and living conditions. With the addition of the 4th module, the T-shaped space station will be cross-shaped. And in the future, China plans to add 2 more sections of its space station, bringing the total number of modules to 6. Space Daily News, like, share and subscribe.